Hello, welcome to Hatha Yoga with Isabella. I'm Isabella. I will guide you carefully through the class, and I'm accompanied by Brian. This is lesson number 5 of Hatha Yoga Dog Flow or Adho Mukha Shvana Namaskar. In today's lesson, we will focus on the position of the head. Before we do so, we will remember how to create that proper distance between the hands and the feet, and for this we use the belt for measuring the length of our legs. So take your belt and let's get started. Come to a comfortable seated position where you can sit for a couple of minutes without pain and where you can stretch the spine nicely. We take a moment to relax the hands on the thighs, close the eyes, and draw your attention inward. Be aware of your energies and sensations that are present right now in your body. Welcome all of them and connect with your breath. Start to breathe a little bit deeper. On the inhalation, stretch the crown of your head upwards. On the exhalation, relax the sitting bones downward. And feel the connection now in both directions simultaneously. Our first movement is the movement of the head, forward and backward. When the head is forward, press the chin slightly to your throat. When the head is backward, remember to keep your teeth together to protect your cervical spine from overextension. Let your breath come and go and relax your face. All right. And then we go on with a sideways movement, ear to shoulder. Find your rhythm, find your speed. Do the movement in a way that you feel it's loosening up the tensions of the neck muscles. And just let the breath come and go. All right, now we will combine the 4 directions, ear to shoulder, forward, ear to shoulder, and head backward. And just go on like this, in your own rhythm, in your own speed. If you wish, you can make the movement more fluid, combining all the 4 points together to one circle. Enjoy the movement and let your breath flow freely. All right, now we change direction. It's ear to shoulder, head back, ear to shoulder, head forward, and again go on in your rhythm. If you wish, combine these 4 positions to one single flow, one circle. Keep breathing and keep your face relaxed. All right, now let's bring up the head again. Move the hands to the groins, and we go on with big circles of the shoulders. Really move them maximum way forward, upward, backward, and downward, and feel like you're auto-massaging your muscles between the ears and the shoulders. And now in the other direction, change. With the same intensity, make these big circles. All right, and relax. Now, we bring the arms parallel to the floor, the sternum slightly lifted, and prepare for the twist, where we follow the hand with the eyes, and we'll look backward, and the other hand goes to the shoulder. And like this, it's a dynamic twist. Again, go in your own rhythm, do it the way you feel. It's loosening up your chest. Feel the shoulder blade moving. And let the breath come and go. All right, relax the arms again, make fists with the thumbs out and start to circle the wrists. We make strong, big circles because we really want to move all the muscles around the joints, loosen up tensions around the joints, and now in the other direction. Big circles with your fists. All right. Now we come to tabletop position. Place your wrists where the belt begins, with the fingers nicely spread. Put your toes where the belt ends, and then just stretch your feet out. And we will move right away into our cat-cow. So get prepared, and on the inhalation we move to cow position with the head up. On the exhalation, move to cat and tuck the chin under. Inhale, head up. Long exhalation through the mouth. Chin to the throat. Inhale, bring the head up. And just be aware of this movement of the head. Inhale, bring the head up. Tuck the toes under and move into dog pose. Make sure your distances are fine between the hands, between the feet, and between hands and feet. Now we will again move the head without moving the rest of the body. On the inhalation, bring the head up like we did before in the cow pose. And on the exhalation, bring it down as we did in the cat. Again, inhale, head up. You may continue to exhale through the mouth. Inhale, bring the head up. Exhale, bring it down. And now notice when your ears are in line with your upper arms. Once more up, and then bring the ears in line with the upper arms. Leave your head there. Press your hands nicely, stretch your spine, and then we walk out of the pose already. Hands on the shins. Inhale, stretch, look forward. Exhale, relax downwards, relax the shoulders. Then come up with a round back, shoulders forward, upward. Inhale and exhale, back and down. Now the whole flow. Turn your palms. Inhale, look upward. Exhale, hands to the chest and down. Inhale, look forward, straighten the spine. On the exhalation, place the hands on the mats and find your dog position. Now we'll move the head only once. Inhale, head up. Exhale, bring the head all the way down. And then one more inhalation, bringing the head up. And on the exhalation, we only go as far as having the ears near the upper arms or in line with the upper arms. Stay like this. Go on breathing, stretch nicely. And then prepare to walk out of the pose. Hands on the shins. Inhale, look forward. And exhale, relax downward. Now roll up. Inhale, shoulders forward, upward. And exhale, shoulders back and down. Rotate your hands. Inhale, look upward, hands to your chest. And exhale, relax downward. Inhale, stretch the spine, look forward. Exhale, position your hands and walk to dog pose. Now, we will not move the head right away. We will remember some of the details of the previous lessons. Bend your elbows a little. Rotate them down. Stretch them gently. Keep the space. Remember to keep the space between the ears and the shoulders. And then just keep the head in line with your upper arms. And press well all the fingers, especially the base of the index finger. Take a deep breath. And then walk out of the pose. Hands on the shins. Inhale, look forward. And exhale, relax downward. Roll up, shoulders forward and upward. Inhale. Exhale, bring the shoulders back down. Okay, turn your hands. Inhale, look up. Bring your hands to the chest. And exhale, relax downward. Inhale, elongate the spine, look forward. And on the exhalation, once more, last time, walk to dog pose. Just remember by your awareness without doing big movements, the position of the elbows, the shoulders, the head, and the hands. And then bend your knees and stretch your feet. And find a moment for relaxation in child's pose. Bring your fingers in triangle or arms back. Choose the position that allows you to rest and to relax for a couple of moments. So stay in the position as comfortable as you can. Relax and soften your face. Relax your shoulders. And relax your abdomen on every exhalation a little bit more. Karpuru Gauram Karunavataram Sansara Saram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayaravindehi Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami. All right, get prepared to move out of the pose by placing your hands under your shoulders and then with a slight push come up. Find the position where you can have your spine nice upright. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Close your eyes again for a moment. Inhale. Exhale. Relax the head downwards. Surrender the energies of your intellect to the energies of your heart. Inhale. Bring the head up again. And exhale, relax the hands. Thanks for joining and see you next time.